Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Trends to examine the popularity of the niche you've selected. So please head to Google Trends. You can Google it by typing Google Trends, and then you'll find it on the following link, trends.google.com. And this is the home page that you will land on. Would like you to head to the menu on the top left and select Explore. First of all, I would like to explore with you the options to fine-tune your search. Over here in this ribbon, right below the canvas where the graph is supposed to be showing. First, you have the geography. Please start thinking about the target market. Are you going to target worldwide and ship worldwide? And make sure that later on the supplier that you choose or you select, work with, also ships worldwide. Most suppliers on AliExpress do ship worldwide, so this is why I like to work with AliExpress. Then we have the time horizon. My suggestion is to customize that to get at least 3 to 5 years. So over here from, let's say, 5 years down the road until today. And then for the categories, a very safe category for e-commerce is in fact the shopping category. However, let's say that you are doing something with beauty and fitness. Well, for beauty and fitness and food, I suggest that you stay away from these niches for now because you're just an entrepreneur starting up your own endeavor in e-commerce. These niches are quite tricky because they might you might get a backlash from customers for allergies or expiration dates. It's quite sensitive also when it comes to importing such products. So electric devices as well as beauty products, I believe these require a little bit of more experience and knowledge about the target market. So for now, let's just focus on if, for example, you are doing yoga mats, you can choose beauty and fitness. Last year I had two groups focusing on sport related, and they had to search using beauty and fitness and couple that with a look at the shopping. So if you can find your category, the industry that you chose, you can't find it somewhere over here, then definitely head to shipping. They also looked into sports, the yoga mats. The yoga mats looked into shopping, they looked into sports and beauty and fitness. Okay, so now you had your category decided on. Web search, they don't have mobile search, unfortunately. So they have image search, news search, Google Shopping. So if you plan to use Google Shopping as well, that would be really a very interesting insight to take a look at web search and Google Shopping. So try to list down different parameters. For example, for category, I would like to try shopping, would like to try sports and fitness and beauty. So three different categories you would like to try if you want to, if your search is more complex. And then on the search type, you could try web search and Google Shopping. So this means that 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 different graphs or trend lines per keyword. That might make your task a little bit more complicated. But if you would like to take a look at all these graphs, copy them and paste them on a Word document and try to analyze them and take a close look at them, then why not? It's worth the effort. The same applies for different variations of a geographical location. So if you would like to try worldwide and Indonesia, so if you want to focus on certain markets or you want to focus on the 5 main markets that are English speaking, then yeah, why not? Then you will have 5 different geographies multiplied by 3 different categories, multiplied by 2 different search types, and you will have to look up this number of graphs, and it will might become really, really difficult to analyze. However, if you want, for the same keyword, you can try, for example, all the geographies. Um, no, it's not possible, I think. Over here, you can just try multiple keywords together in the same graph. I will show you how to start the search. Let's do it together. So in our example, we have the cat print. So this is one keyword, and here is the result. As you can see, the y-axis is like a percentage that reflects the volume of search, oversimplified, of course, explanation. So over here, it's around, it's fluctuating up and down around the average, not bad at all. We have also cat pajamas. This can be also tricky, guys. Why? Because the idea is try cat pajamas or try pajamas alone and see the difference. Yeah, here's the difference, you see? So apparently maybe the word cat is taken into consideration. So pajamas here are on the search. On average, they are below the 25%, as you can see, but they are rising in popularities, pajamas. And there's a surge around this December, which is the Christmas time. So maybe it's because of the holiday season. So let's put back cat pajamas and examine how is this different. So over here, cat pajamas have the same, almost the same popularity as cat print, but also exhibits here surges around Christmas season, shopping season. Similarly, you can add different different keywords. I think we had something like cat hoodies. This is in fact an example inspired by my students in the not last year, 2 years ago. And they started a store for t-shirts for millennials and focused on cat prints. Okay, and then you can just take a look at the results and make sure that you're satisfied with the popularity and the search volume, and make sure that you explain very clearly that you have limited resources, including limited time, and this kind of fluctuation around this average is just good enough for you to start your endeavor because you have very big interest in what you do. So this is how you use Google Trends to roughly and very generally and in a very simplistic way to decide on the potential of a market. As I explained in the previous video, please take a very good um, observe and pay very good attention to the trends that are increasing for these surges, and be aware of the average the average level of popularity of the niche before you get into it. All right, guys, this is it for now, and I will see you again on Tuesday. This will take you quite a while to prep, because if you have any different variations, you will have to actually explore them all. There is a sheet, it's like an assignment sheet that you need to complete based on these graphs. Please copy the graphs and paste them, or take a snapshot of these graphs and paste them on your Word document and submit the assignment as indicated on this page. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you again on Tuesday. And please, if you know some students in class that you would like to work with, please submit and complete your Excel sheet and submit it as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys.